So, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And I know the quality's bad. I'm recording this on my laptop, but I found this cool trick. So, if you have a humidifier, a water humidifier, then just watch this. It's really cool. So you turn it on. I like just the first setting.
I want to peel my scab off.
Turn it on. You just go like this. You don't inhale, but you like just keep it in your mouth. I'm gonna do it again. Once again, guys, do not swallow it because there's not supposed to be don't inhale it because there's not supposed to be
Water in your
lungs. But it's this cool thing. Look at. Also, don't breathe while you have your mouth on the humidifier thing, because then it hurts. Trust me, I accidentally breathed. But yeah, I'm gonna do one more by one, and then yeah.